So in the last video we were talking about creating dynamic drill down with a chart. So we did not get to finish the entire chart. So let's finish it off and then we can run the report and you can see how chart gets updated as we drill down. So let's finish the chart here. So we have to drop the item. So let's say we have so in the category x-axis we will have the agent. So when you drag, you have to wait till it gets black. Now we had problem because we have to drag from probably here. Now sometimes you have to save the report and open it again. Okay, so let's run the report now. So it's taking some time to load. Okay, so now the report has come. As you see, we have our report with drill down and with the chart. So here it is showing all location 100,000, 101,900, and this is what is being represented by the chart. Because there is only one record, it shows us only one column. So now let's click here. So as you see, US and Canada. Now Canada is 0, that's why we don't have bar here, but we have USA. Now let's click on USA. So here you would see Northeast. So as you see, the chart is getting updated to represent the data. So because Northeast only has one cells. So now if you want to drill up or drill down, what you do is that you highlight the column and then do drill up. So let's click on Southwest. So Southwest has two. So if you want to drill up, so if you can go, if you want to drill up more, then you do highlight and then drill up. So that's pretty much about the drill down report. Now there is something also called drill through report. That's something we let's discuss now. Now drill through reports are, as the name suggests, is where you click on an item and you open another report. So where two reports are linked. So this is called drill down, where you are just having one report and you are navigating through report by clicking one after another. Whereas in drill through report, where you click on something and it opens another report. So in the drill through reports, we define two reports separately and then connect them through a parameter. So typically these are used for master child reports. Maybe that's something we can discuss in our next video. So let's discuss some more items about maybe the chart creation. So let me open Query Studio and then let's discuss some more items about the chart. So I wanted to show some few items of the charts. So one thing here, let's say we have a data table on top and here we have a chart. So if you want to drag, so if you look at the chart carefully, it has three things: a measure, default y-axis, an x-axis, and a series. Now in case your chart is not of series type, then probably you just need to populate this and this. Now x-axis is typically would have your attribute, and y-axis would have your the number column or the measure. So for example, if you are plotting agents and sales data per agent, then agent would be on the x-axis and your sales data would be, which is a measure, which would be on y-axis. Now here, so what you do is that you drag the columns from here and then you drop it here and then wait till it starts blinking with black background or black on that. So once you let go the mouse, you'll see the column name appear here. Now few other things what you can do is that you can change the title name. So here is the access title, and then you click here and then you get the properties populated. Now if it shows, if you want to change the title, what you have to do is that it shows default title yes, so change it to first, no, and it will allow you to change the title name. So as you see here, the text changes where it says double click to edit the text. So double click and say, you can say X, or this is an agent, so let's say agent name, and the same thing goes for the y-axis also. So you just say default title, no, and then you say, you can say sales dollar. You can also have a different type of charts. So if you want to change the type of chart, you can just click this one and then do right click. Or you can just double click and wait for the so there is some option called convert chart. So here if you see that I right click and then you see convert chart. So if you click on convert chart, I think I've got a few extra clicks, but anyway, so then once you click convert chart, you get this option and then you can choose different options. So let's see if I'm to convert to maybe a 3D chart, or no, maybe a 3-dimensional chart, and I can select this. So we have got 3D charts, and if you run it, then you will see it's taking some time to load the report. So here you see the report has come up, and you can see the dollar values or the column aliases has changed, and you can see the 3D effect of the columns. So that's about it, and there are a few more controls which you can use in the chart. So, but that's pretty self-explanatory. If you create a chart using Cognos, and it's fairly easy process. So apart from that, there are some more tools or some more features which are there in the Report Studio, which you can easily understand. So if you click on here, which is insertable object, so here there's calculated member, calculated measure. So calculated meaning you calculate some columns within the report based on maybe other columns. In our particular case, we used query calculations for sales commission. Then there are several other features like image, cross-tab space, etc., which try it out. It's a fairly straightforward process. You can put a hyperlink. You can create also a date control, meaning when you click on it, it will pop up a calendar and you can select a particular date and all those things. So I hope you got a good idea about the Report Studio. So in the next few videos, we'll probably discuss one or two more advanced topics. Thank you.